Good morning, traders. My name is Michael Sabo with RJO Futures, coming to you here on Wednesday, late morning, July 11th, bringing you some opening commentary here in the energy markets. Start off here, let's talk about that crude oil market. Currently, August crude, we're trading around 85.05. So seeing a nice move higher here after yesterday's sell-off. We're currently up about $1.13. Brent firmer also around 99.09, up about $1.14 there. So seeing that spread starting to widen out a little bit. I talk a lot about that spread. There's some great opportunities in the WTI Brent spread. So I'd certainly encourage you to give me a call so I can give you some more information on how you can participate in that. Taking a look at the nat gas market, firmer also. We're around 277.50. We're up about 3 to 4 cents there, so a little firmer. Complex right now firmer. RBOB 275.40, up about 71, and that heat a little bit firmer around 273.83. That's up about 185. So seeing a firmer tone there. Did have DOE numbers come out here, so let's talk about that and the fundamentals affecting the energy markets right now. Expectation was for a drawdown in the crude oil of about 1.1 million barrels. Much bigger than that, came in at around 4.7. So, obviously, that's helping with this firmer tone. The market was already firmer prior to that, and this just puts a little more fuel to the fire there, for the bulls. So if you'd like to get on that distribution list, I mentioned this a lot, give me a call, shoot me an email. I can add you into that. This way you can get what the expectations are as well as get what the actual numbers are on that. It's a great way to stay on top of the inventory numbers. It covers not only the crude oil, but also the nat gas, the heating oil, and then also the report, the DOE report that comes out tomorrow there in the natural gas market. I shoot that out obviously as well. Outside markets are pretty stable right now. S&P, slightly weaker here so far, but it's a stable market right now. We got an inside day in there, so I think that's adding to the stability overall in a lot of the commodity markets. Initially, the dollar was weaker, although that dollar has been firming. We could be at some topping action there. We got to keep a close eye on that, but certainly we haven't seen any selling pressure at this point. It appears spill into the crude oil market. OPEC here, there's an announcement that they're going to leave their 2012 demand forecast unchanged. So they're not looking to see too much of a slowdown here in demand between now and the end of the year. That's kind of adding a little bit of underlying support in the market as well. We did go get some data out of China that is showing that their oil imports here were slowing just a little bit. So that's, kind of keeping a little bit of a, keeping that market tempered, even tempered there, but nonetheless, still like that oil on the upside. Flipping over to the technical side of things, I mentioned yesterday in my post, and I encourage you to check it out, as I've said a couple of times, looking for key support around $84 a barrel. We did dip through that yesterday. Check out the low this morning, 84.01. As I mentioned in my afternoon post yesterday, I was advising aggressive traders to step in around that 84 level to buy crude oil, and here we are getting a real nice pop so far, and that 84 level holding again so far today. So watch for first level support around 84. We break through that, major support I think coming in around 81 and a quarter would be that next level. Upside target, I still like the 88 to 92 area. Give me a call on the trade desk. We can get into more details, support, entry, exit levels, and how we can participate in that either from a future standpoint or if you want to look at trading the options on the futures as well. The number to the trade desk is 1-800-367-7290, and of course remember that the risk of loss does exist in futures trading and that it may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.